Let's start off with a bang, the 3-2 system. Here, you're expected to place 5 chips of equal value and split them across 2 different sets of bets. Place 3 of your chips on the banker or the player, and place the remaining 2 chips on the banker pair or the player pair. Then, just repeat the whole process for each round. Keep in mind that you can mix and match the bets between rounds and adjust the chip value to stay within your budget. Time for one of my favorites, the 1-3-2-6 system. Just set a chip size of your base bet and follow these easy steps. Make a 1x bet of your chip size, and if you win, move 1 step to the right of the sequence. If you lose or get till the end, start from the beginning. If you manage to win the first 2 rounds, you've already made a small profit. And if you happen to win all 4 rounds, you'll profit 12 units, which can result in a very good win. My advice, focus on player or banker bets only. This strategy works best the closer you are to 50% odd bets. Next, the ultimate 5-5 round system. Simply bet on the winning hand for the first 5 rounds, and against the winning hand for the next 5 rounds. And after 10 rounds, start again. Double your bet when you lose a round, and when you win, continue betting by using the table's minimum wagering option. If there's a tie, do not include that in the 5-5 round system. In theory, this might allow you to compensate for any losses and generate a flow of small winnings. Now, it's also very important to keep in mind that these strategies all fall down to probabilities and luck. So make sure to always play responsibly, not like in the next crazy bonus strategy we have for you. If you've ever wondered what it feels like to be 007, then you should give the James Bond strategy a shot. Here in each round, you're expected to place an amount you desire at the table and split it across 3 bets following the 14-5-1 ratio. So for every $14 you place on the banker, you need to bet $5 on the player and another $1 on a tie. Crazy. Does it work? I have no idea. But hey, I'm not James Bond. Wishing you luck and reminding you as always, play responsibly.